Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial. My name is Stephanie and I'm the creative behind my prints collection. On today's tutorial, what we are going to learn is how to create this rainbow effect on your lettering. For this tutorial, I'm going to use my ribbon and gloss Procreate brush set. You don't have to use this set, but if you want to check them out, the link is down below. I'm gonna be doing a series of videos with instructions and tutorials on how to best use these brushes.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications. A new tutorial will be posted every Tuesday.
So let's open the Procreate app, open a new canvas. And I already have my word ready to go, so I'm just gonna turn on the layer. We are gonna use this word calligraphy, and to create a rainbow effect, what I'm gonna do is add a new layer. We're gonna work on that one, and the layer underneath, I'm gonna turn the opacity down just to see what I'm doing, going back to this layer. And for this project tutorial, what I'm going to use is my calligraphy thick brush. This brush is within the ribbon and gloss Procreate brush set. The link is down below if you want to check them out. You don't have to buy them. You can use standard Procreate brushes to recreate this effect, but I do think that my brushes help to speed up the process. So with no further ado, let's use the calligraphy thick brush. Go back to my layers, the new one. My color selector is black, and I'm gonna test the size. Okay, good. This brush is quite cool. It's kind of a calligraphy brush. It helps you to do those thin and thick strokes because the brush is pressure sensitive. So when you go up, you have those thin. When you go down, you apply pressure to have those thick. So see how the brush reacts to the amount of pressure that you've put into your stroke. So let's start drawing our word calligraphy. We start with a thin, thick, thin, thick, thin, thick. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We are going to correct the design. Thin, thick. Just take your time. And then there you go. Now I'm gonna close these strokes. For that, I'm gonna open my brush set, select my pen, see the size, this is good, and let's quickly close my letters a little bit over here, and you get to define here, 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 here. gonna turn my guidance off. I'm gonna duplicate the layer that we've created for later. So on this one, I'm gonna use the eraser, it can be the pen for the size, and I'm gonna show you a quick process to paint this word with just one stroke. So what we are going to do is open the design, these letters. So if we open, so this is good. Over here. Now with the color black, I'm gonna hold, drag, and see how it colors almost the entire lettering. So we have our word ready to go. We want to create a rainbow effect. So for that, open a new layer. I have a couple of cool colors over here. You can choose any color you want. So a new layer, my brushes can be pen, increase the size, and I'm gonna start painting with a couple of colors like this. Let's go with pink. Some purple, some green, some pink, more green, yellow, kind of yellow. This is good. So let's go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur, increase the size. So if you increase the size for 100%, you can see the effect. I'm gonna reduce and see. I like it around 35. Yeah. Go 35. Yeah, it's kind of up to you. And then by using a black lettering, I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to go to my colorful layer and click clipping mask. And here you go. You can see that you have a cool rainbow effect, kind of a unicorn effect. To add some texture to it, remember the layer that we've duplicated. This one, right? So I'm gonna hold, and drag on top. I don't want this to be a clipping mask, so I'm gonna unselect the clipping mask and select these colors. I'm on this layer. This is completely optional, this step, but I wanna give that extra final touch. So I'm gonna decrease the size of my brush and I'm gonna correct my design like this. Here, this step is completely optional, but I think it will give you a nice final touch. So let's go here and slowly correct the design. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I think it's a cool final touch. And there you go. From a black word, this calligraphy word, we went step by step on how to create a rainbow effect, which you can just have it this way or add a special touch, just add some black effect on it. You can decrease the opacity of this thing a little bit, let's say 70%, and there you go.
If you like this tutorial or if you want to see other ones like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel. See you soon and happy drills!